Hey there, car aficionados and luxury enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the automotive world, the changing image of an icon. Buckle up as we explore the intriguing question: how is Mercedes-Benz losing its prestigious allure in 2023? From shifts in market dynamics to evolving consumer preferences, we're breaking it all down. So, grab a seat and let's take a closer look at the winds of change in the world of luxury. Kicking off our discussion at number 10, we can't help but notice that the iconic three-pointed star seems to be popping up on every corner. From entry-level models to SUVs galore, the exclusivity once associated with a Mercedes-Benz is becoming a bit diluted. Sliding into the ninth spot, we've witnessed a shift away from the traditional elegance that defined the brand. Some recent designs seem to be sacrificing the timeless in favor of the trendy. Revving up to number 8, the influx of technology, while impressive, has somewhat shifted the focus away from the craftsmanship and luxury that once set Mercedes-Benz apart. Hitting the 7th spot, whispers about questionable build quality and reliability issues have started to undermine the once rock-solid reputation of these vehicles. Zooming into the 6th position, the perception of value for money is shifting. With other brands offering comparable features at a lower price point, the Mercedes-Benz Prestige is facing some stiff competition. Breaking into the top 5, the expansion of the model lineup might be contributing to a sense of brand dilution. Are we losing the essence of what made a Mercedes-Benz truly special? At number 4, the race toward electrification has everyone's attention, and while Mercedes-Benz is making strides, some argue that the brand's identity is somewhat overshadowed by the electric buzz. Zooming into the 3rd position, the driving dynamics and handling prowess that once set Mercedes-Benz apart are facing scrutiny as other brands catch up in the performance department. Runner-up on our list is the customer experience. As expectations rise, a less than exceptional dealership experience can chip away at the prestigious image. And now, the top spot, changing market dynamics. With new players entering the luxury arena and the rise of boutique brands, Mercedes-Benz is facing a shifting landscape that's redefining the notion of prestige. So, there you have it, a glimpse into how Mercedes-Benz is navigating a changing terrain. But hey, whether you're a die-hard fan or an open-minded observer, I'm curious to know your thoughts. Share your take in the comments below, drop a like if you found this discussion intriguing, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of wheels. Have you noticed these changes, or do you think the allure of Mercedes-Benz is still intact? Join the conversation and let your voice be heard. And if you're hungry for more automotive insights, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next exploration. Catch you on the flip side, gearheads. Car wrench.